Hi everyone, this is Sin and welcome back to my channel Stampin' Munchkins. I'm going to be doing an unboxing or unwrapping of the Simon Says Stamp August 2020 card kit. This is my first one ever and I'm so excited. You sure get a lot of stuff. Everything will be linked below, including the price. First is a small stamp set called Barbecue, Summer Barbecue I believe. Doodle bug cute ant stickers and some doodle bug designs. Oh, their card, postcard size. Here's the paper. It's double-sided and each one is a different one, so you get 12. I really like these, and I'll be making some cards in the future and I'll have a video on that, but today is just the unboxing. If you have a second, I would like it if you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I would appreciate that so much. Do you receive the Simon Says Stamp card kit? So far, like I said, it's my first one, but I'm really enjoying it. So here's another quick look at all the 12 paper, 6x6 size, and it's pretty thick. Here's two slimline envelopes, which is nice. I like that the opening is on the side. There's a little lollipop, grape flavored. Here's another sticker sheet. Very summertime barbecue picnic, and you get two sheets from Doodlebug. Super cute. Here's the big stamp set. I really like it, and I like that it has stripes and sun rays. And that's an idea sheet. That's 8.5 by 11. Nice color Xeroxed. I like that, so we could get ideas. You get a navy cardstock, and they're really nice and thick. Black, kind of light olive green, and a white. So that's all that was in the kit. It's quite a lot actually, and again, I'm super happy. I'm pointing on what it is that I received. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of my unboxing. There's a video you might like on the screen and my card making playlist. I would like it if you would watch and click on my face to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.